Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to actually put the code that was on the editor onto the website Spacehey. I'm sorry that I did not explicitly go over this. It was an oversight, and so let's rectify that. We have two style tags and we have some rules in between them. It changes the background and it's just for demonstration purposes. So let's copy that. We also have our profile here. And just to show where we need to go, we need to click on Edit Profile. In your Edit Profile page, you can put any of these tags in any of these boxes. They will show up in the respective areas on your profile. The About Me and the Who I'd Like to Meet are in the box above your Friends section, which is this area right here. And all the interests are right here. As you put things in, they may be styled differently because of the boxes. If you put images in these boxes, they may be scrunched, and there's a video addressing that in my playlist if you run into that problem. Here, not so much. So let's take our code that we've done here, and we'll grab all of it, everything in between the style tags, and we'll put it in the About Me. Let's click Save. Let's view our profile. And now we can see that what we had changed over here is now mirrored identical over here. This is a manual process. Spacehey does not provide tools to allow you to do this automatically yet. There may be an API in the future, but right now we're kind of just going old school. What if you have more tags here? What if you've already made some stuff over here and you want to add it to your page here? So for demonstration, I just have this simple thing. Say you followed another one of my videos and you decided to change the paragraph tags to be a bigger size. And now you'd like to update your profile with those rules. So again, we'll just copy. We'll go over to our profile and we'll go to edit our profile. And to show you it goes anywhere, we'll put it on our Who I'd Like to Meet. So we'll click Save All. Now we'll look at our profile and we can see that our paragraphs have enlarged according to the rules that we had specified. A couple caveats I'd like to cover that we'll just need to check out back in our Edit Profile section is that you may not want to do this. You may want to keep all your styles in between two things, just keep it organized. You may want to spread it across all these. That's completely up to you. But rules that you specify lower will overwrite rules you've specified higher up in the chain. And just to demonstrate that, we're going to go back over to our Spacehey and we're going to actually change the font size again to be 10 pixels smaller. Let's make it so that it is noticeable. So we can see that we've changed the profile, the paragraph size on our editor to be at 8 pixels, which is much smaller. So we'll take this, we'll bring it over, and we'll put it in the About Me. And think about what might happen when I click Save All and we go to our page. And remember, because I just like to reinforce this idea of rules higher up are written, are rules higher up are overwritten by rules that are lower. So if we go to our profile, we'll see that the fonts are still large. And again, these rules up here have been overwritten by these rules down here. The video was a little bit longer than I anticipated. I hope that it addressed everything that it needed to. It addressed any of the gaps that were left by some of the videos that I've already created. This is my first time doing this kind of thing, so I'm sorry for the little gaps and the assumptions. I will try to be more cognizant of what information you need to fully complete these videos. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a good night.